Hello everybody. This is lesson 4 on common suffixes. Of course, we are still doing chapter 3. Page 41, we have the suffix itis, and you are familiar with this suffix now. It means inflammation. The first term, enteritis. Enter is a root, and it means small intestine. And I think you have taken this in chapter 2. So the meaning would be inflammation of the small intestine, because we have to start with the meaning of the suffix. So inflammation of the small intestine. Stomatitis. Stomat is mouth, and it is a root again. And itis is the inflammation. We start with the meaning of the suffix inflammation of the mouth. Tonsillitis. Tonsil means tonsil again, but the first one is a root, and you can see it is with double L, but when it is an English word, it is with one L. And the meaning is inflammation of the tonsils. Now let's see the pronunciation.
Enteritis. 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 Stomatitis. Stomatitis. Tonsillitis. Tonsillitis.
Now, page 42, we have the suffix logi. So, page 42. Now, logi, I think we talked about it earlier, if you remember, in trimester 2. I used to mention this. It means study of, or the scientific study of something. The first term is cardiology. Cardi, we have taken this before, and it means heart. Logi, study. It's the study of. So the meaning, study of the heart. The next term, dermatology. Dermat means skin, and again you have taken this before. Logi, the study of, then the study of the skin. Let's see the pronunciation.
Cardiology. 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 Dermatology. Dermatology.
Now, the next suffix, logist, which means specialist, one who studies, the person who studies something. Now, the first term, gynecologist or gynecologist, both are acceptable pronunciations. Gynec means woman, and again you took this word before, logist, specialist. So the meaning, specialist in the study of the diseases of women. Ophthalmologist, ophthalm, eye, and you took it in chapter 2. The meaning, we have to start with the meaning of the suffix, specialist. Specialist in the study of the diseases of the eye. Let's see the pronunciation.
gynecologist, gynecologist,
ophthalmologist, ophthalmologist,
The next term, the next suffix is Malaysia or Malaysia. Sometimes they pronounce it as Malaysia. It means softening, when a certain organ in the body becomes soft. So, the first term, adenomalacia or adenomalacia, and adeno, you have taken that before, which means gland. The meaning, we have to start with the meaning of the suffix, softening, softening of a gland. The next term, osteomalacia or osteomalacia. Again, as I said, we accept these both. Ost, again, you took it before. You see, now most of the, let's say, roots, sometimes prefixes you have taken before in chapters 1 and 2. So if you have learned them there, then things will be easier for you here. So osteomalacia or osteomalacia, it means softening of bone. Let's see the pronunciation.
adenomalacia, adenomalacia, osteomalacia or osteomalacia, osteomalacia or osteomalacia,
The next suffix, megaly, which means enlargement, to become bigger than normal. Sometimes some people have, heart problems, so their heart becomes bigger than normal, larger than normal. So this is enlargement. The term we have visceromegaly. Visceromegaly, viscer, again, you took it in chapter 2, it means internal organs. Any internal organ, if it becomes large, we use this term visceromegaly. So the meaning, enlarged internal organs. Let's see the pronunciation.
Visceromegaly. 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 Visceromegaly.